हाय एवरीवन, आई एम द श्रीजल और गाइस हम कर रहे थे रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ चैप्टर से 50 एमसीक्यू, जिसके कि फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट हमने कर लिया है। उस पार्ट में मैंने आपको 15 एमसीक्यूज़ करवा दिए, मतलब टोटल 30 एमसीक्यूज़ हो चुके हैं और अब सिर्फ 20 एमसीक्यूज़ बचे हैं। तो हम इस वीडियो में 20 एमसीक्यूज़ करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो गाइस, 31 क्वेश्चन इज IVF followed by embryo transfer ET is called. So answer is test tube baby program. Then guys, 32 question is states transfer to uterus after induced fertilization of ova in the lab is. So answer is embryo with more than 8 blastomere. Then guys, 33 question is donor semen is introduced into uterus through. So answer is intrauterine insemination, IUI. Then 34 question is inability to conceive or produce children even after death of unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. So answer इसका 2 year. Then 35 question is in which assisted reproductive technology ART test in vitro fertilization is not applied. So answer is ZIFT. Then 36 question is ZIFT is transferred of. So answer इसका zygote into fallopian tube. 37 question is which of the following cannot be considered as assisted reproductive technology. So इसका आंसर है medical termination of pregnancy. Then guys, 38 question is the method of directly injecting the sperm into ovum in vitro is ICSI. Then 39 question is dash as a problem could be either with the male or female partner. सो इसका आंसर है इनफर्टिलिटी. इनफर्टिलिटी प्रॉब्लम मेल में भी हो सकता है और फीमेल में भी हो सकता है. देन गाइस, 40 क्वेश्चन इज इंक्रीज्ड IMR एंड डिक्रीज्ड MMR इन अ पॉपुलेशन विल. सो आंसर इज नॉट कॉज सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज इन ग्रोथ रेट. देन 41 क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इज इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन different from natural fertilization in human. So answer is in vitro fertilization happens outside the body. Then guys, 42 question is the correct surgical procedure as a contraceptive method. इसका आंसर आप कमेंट में बताएंगे. So guys, 43 question is which of the following will not be useful as a prevention in a curing STDs. So answer है use of oral pills. Then 44 question is main disadvantage of IUD is the devices are expelled out without the knowledge of wearers. Then guys, 45 question is which artificial reproductive technique can help a lady conceive a child if both her fallopian tubes are blocked. So answer is IVF followed by IUT. Then 46 question is the right method of birth controls relies on. So answer is calculating the women fertile period. Then 47 question is which of the following best describes the main purpose of IVF. Then answer is to facilitate fertilization outside the body. Then 48 question is select the option including all sexually transmitted disease. So answer is gonorrhea, syphilis and genital herpes. Then 49 question is which of the following STDs are not curable. Then answer is genital herpes, hepatitis B and HIV infection. Then guys, last and 50 question is, which of the following sexually transmitted disease is not completely curable? तो इसका आंसर आपको कमेंट में बताना है। और रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ का जो हमारा सीरीज चल रहा था क्वेश्चन का, तो हमारा फाइनली 50 MCQs कंप्लीट हो गया। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 नहीं देखा है तो उसको जाके देख लेना अपने बार।